Yo, YouTube, your boy back with another video, another POV. Know I've been gone for a while, but we in a Chevy Malibu today, you know what I'm saying? A little POV drive for y'all boys. But y'all, I know I've been gone and shit. It's just been hectic. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I've been gone. It's raining. You can see, as you can tell, raining. But I've been gone and shit, but so I've been gone. I'm not gonna be like I'm here and I'm posting because I don't know what the fuck I don't know. I just don't know what to post. I don't know what to post. I'm gonna give y'all boys a POV today. You know what I'm saying? POV. Hopefully this car can move out of the way. See? Magic. Magic. I'm gonna do a little downshift too, because this car can. I don't know if y'all can hear it. Hopefully y'all can hear it, but it's not that loud. But you know what I'm saying? Loud enough for you to hear it though. No camera. Probably not on camera and shit. Let me turn this shit up though. Sprinkle it. Damn, these trees, boy. These trees do not play no games, man. They been all the water dropping from them. They like, fuck you, bitches, fuck you, guys. I'm gonna edit that out, cause like, what the fuck is I'm talking about? Matter of fact, I had to put that bitch back in because this just started going the fuck down. I'm like, what the fuck? Nigga about to say, whippy. Damn, that car gonna hit my ass. Damn, bitch. Bitch almost smacked me. Bitch just raining at me. It be going that bad. And that car just took it. And the 12 right here. God damn. This rain crazy as hell. What the fuck? Hey y'all, but they call more slid. I'm not even going fast. This bitch looks like a joke. Hey, you see why I hate it? I drive in the rain. Definitely in Atlanta too. Ain't that shit? Going down raining. Well, I can't do no downshifts for y'all because your boys not really that shit. That damn Charger was behind me, almost smacked my ass. That's how they know I slow down. They ain't Trump. Oh man, but Trump. Slow my ass down. This bitch, ooh-wee. That bitch slid a little bit. It got a little bit. It got a little bit. It got a little bit of acceleration. Yeah, a little bit of acceleration. A little bit of acceleration in the rain. A little bit of acceleration in the rain. A little bit of that. They got a little bit of that sliddy slide in it. What the fuck is I'm talking about? Hell nah. Oh, doing a windshield wiper. Bitch, I thought that was 12. The little windshield wiper, they make it the little some noise that sound like the little sirens. Is what it come from police cars. And I thought that was 12. The whole 12 was coming from my eyes. But come on, you take it too long, bitch. In the rain, fuck you talking about? Alright, let me slow down, cause not wanna, you know what I'm saying? We're not going that fast. I was doing 20. You know this car is slow as shit, so it's not fast. I was doing 20 miles per hour. You know what I'm saying? Well, you can't see how fast I'm going, but you know. It rain, but god damn. Let me start this bit. Let me see. Hey, somebody see how it can be. No, I wanted to start that bitch. That's so bad. Oh damn, my bad. I can't show y'all boy where I live. Let me put y'all boy right here, right now.